When I say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, I thought I was gonna wait to get and unbox more Mini Brands retro, but in fact, I saw the chart, was bitten by the Mini Brands bug. So here I am opening some more balls from Target at around the same time. I think it's only like literally been a week since I made the last video. So are we gonna get a bunch of duplicates? Do they just put every single seasonal option in the balls all at once now? I don't know. Let's find out. I also just got a text message. Hang on. Discuss in the comments down below while I unball this ball. What do y'all think is gonna happen to Miniverse? I am honestly a little bit worried. Everybody, I feel like I was kind of like talking about this in the last video as well, because last time I went to Target, you know, they keep the Mini Brands and the Miniverse on the same aisle, and I was trying to find the new Miniverse Spa, which in fact doesn't have any resin in it. And one store let me take the display. The other store did not let me take the display because they were saying like, oh, these are like all being recalled now. And like, oh my gosh, like shelves empty. I was just like trying to see if I could order some of the new sets coming out on Amazon or whatever, because I heard that the new sets supposedly, because they're actually coming out with, they were supposed to be coming out with so many Mini Brands, Harry Potter, little potions, Mini Brands, alcoholic drinks, Mini Brands, Lord of the Rings, Mini Brands, or sorry, I keep saying Mini Brands, Miniverse, Hershey's chocolate. Y'all, I literally thought there was nothing in here. And am I gonna be able to think about two things at once? Gold Baron? This is Haribo. The gummy bears. I have never seen this packaging. I loved the comments y'all left me in the last retro video, because a lot of y'all were saying, y'all remember when you saw the packages and the products look like this. Some people were saying like the 70s, some people were saying the 80s, and I got a lot of interesting comments about the Fresca soda as well. And I tried to find some Fresca soda, but maybe they don't make it anymore. Anyway, you guys, back to Miniverse. I thought, like, okay, first I thought that the uncured resin, or the resin in the kits, was only harmful to kids. Quite apparently, it can be harmful to everyone. Little did I know. I don't know anything about resin. And I feel like with the Mini Brands like liquor that we're seeing, like alcoholic Mini Brands drinks, like I feel like it's more of a thing that is like adults like it more than kids. I don't know. Look at this, another can of Fresca, what I was just talking about. But yeah, it was so wild because I looked on Amazon and there's like no listings for Miniverse, none, like they're gone. So then I just went to like Google, because I was like, okay, well maybe like Target has them or Walmart has them. They're like gone, like they're hard to even find on Google. Like not a single listing comes up. You know how like Google shopping and they like usually show you if you're Googling like a product. Hang on. Like when Google like suggests like, oh, do you want to buy this product that you're searching for? Gone. Like you kind of have to scroll down on Google, and then I found like the official Miniverse page still on Amazon, but like everything is sold out. Y'all, I hope that the next collections like come out, and a bunch of people are saying like they're throwing away their old Miniverse. Y'all, I have so many Miniverse in this very room to make. Okay, I got this one 2 times last time, this same exact hollow version, and I definitely thought it was like one of the special ones, but now that we've gotten it 3 times, is this a special one or is this the normal one? I'm starting to get a little suspicious. Also, okay, the gummy bears was new. I was like, are we just literally gonna get total and complete repeats? No, this is new too. Isn't it Sun-Made raisins? I had some Sun-Made raisins today, you guys, because we had homemade carrot and raisin salad, which was always one of my favorite things to get at Chick-fil-A, and they discontinued it. And I feel like I just recently talked about carrot and raisin salad as well. Was it like literally the last time I looked at the raisin box? Y'all, send help. Okay, this is already the last one in this ball. Oh, okay. This totally makes it worth it. I think this is my favorite one so far. Look at how adorable this is. Itty bitty teeny tiny little pack of Energizer batteries. And once again, I'm like trying to look at the logo. I don't remember when Energizer batteries looked like this. Isn't the pink bunny rabbit, isn't that Energizer or is that Duracell? I can't remember now, but I kind of don't remember anything before the pink bunny era. So this is definitely the best one. I didn't even see that one on there as an option last time. But I love the ones that are like in the little packaging like this. I mean, once again, I feel like I kind of judge minis now by the remint standard. So I love when they're as detailed as possible. If they have little packaging elements, like I think one time in a remint set, we got like a BB cream and it was like sealed in packaging. Also a toothbrush. And I think even mini brands did like Pez before, and that was super cute as well. Oh, okay. Let's do the two in the top. You guys, I'm still on the hunt for the bananas. I feel like that would be very fitting for our channel here, banana peppers, but we got hot tamales. And once again, these kind of make me feel like I came from like a parallel universe, honestly, because I don't remember hot tamales ever looking like this with a little fireman on the packaging. Who are you, sir? I don't remember this at all. Please let me know. Once again, I'm like looking to y'all, like, please help me carbon date. Also, I hope I don't have chili in my teeth. We just ate chili cheese fries for dinner. Okay, this is definitely a repeat, but it was absolutely one of my favorites last time, which is the little canister of film. Oh my goodness, how cute. And like last time as well, we saw the film box, and I think it's so cute that the little film can fit in the film box. Y'all, I also kind of hope we get one of the book options today. I think there's like a cookbook. Y'all? Oh my God. Okay, speak of the devil. However, why did they do this? Why? Why did you do this? I was like literally looking forward to these so much because I really loved the Mini Brands books, which you guys know that you could open, and at least like the first page was totally legible. Now the Mini Brands books did also come with a magnifying glass to help you read like the page, but why did they made these plastic? Y'all, missed opportunity here. I was like really looking forward to getting the book because I kind of thought it would be like a crossover between Mini Brands Retro and Mini Brands books, but alas, we got, what is this? Oh, it's another battery. This is a 9-volt battery, ever ready, which once again, definitely recognize what the product is. And I definitely recognize the name brand, you know, but when did it look like this? When? I kind of do think a lot of these miniatures now, like I said, probably numerous times, I really do feel like these are more geared towards adults versus kids. I feel like maybe that's why they even made some of these products like more recognizable. Like a lot of y'all were saying the packaging was from like the 70s and stuff. So maybe it's like, you know, people that would like really get nostalgic about when the products looked like this. But this is like still very cute. And honestly, why don't they do this with like the cereal boxes, the raisin boxes? Like I know obviously they had the plastic on top to make the, what is that called? Like the battery points, but it makes it a much sturdier thing. Like when the packaging is a cardboard box, why not put plastic inside of it so you get the realistic nature of the product that actually comes in cardboard, but yet you have something plastic inside of it to help it keep its shape. I'm pretty sure this is the exact same video cassette, like the same packaging we got last time, right? I definitely love this one. I think it is super cute. Once again, I love the fact that you get the exterior box as well as the VHS. You guys, did I drop one? Was that 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 1, 3, 4. Am I missing one, y'all? 4. Oh, the gold bears. That was the first one. I put those somewhere else. Okay, you guys, I thought I was losing my marbles. All right, let's see. I feel like we have gotten definitely some new ones, definitely some repeats. I don't feel like there's any other option there, but do y'all remember that one time, what was it, where we got like 4 identical balls basically? Like we opened 2 and they were new, and then like the next 2 we opened were like pure identical repeats. My goodness. All right, 1 ball left after this, you guys. We are halfway through our unboxing somehow. But, you know, I feel like I would love to just buy like a million of these at a time. However, I am scared of like getting too many repeats. And aren't there like 60? I feel like it said 60, which sounded like a good number, but at the same time, like, yeah, once you start getting a collection with only 60 versus like 120, I feel like, isn't that like when we saw like Mini Brands food like wave 2 or something, wasn't there like 120 to collect at that point? So I feel like then you could like open a whole store case and you would still get new ones, but with 60, you see, you start getting like really repeaty really fast, especially like when they first launched them. They are still not available on Amazon, I don't think. So yeah, look at this, y'all. So many repeats. This is the Pez tin that we saw last time as well. This one feels like a little bit heavier or something that I remember though, because I swear I picked this up and I was like, wait, is like one of them like 10? I don't know. Brain fart. It is like 2 in the morning, so maybe I'm getting a bit silly. Oh, okay. I loved it. I loved it the first time, but another repeat. But this is definitely my favorite one. So, you know, it never hurts to have 2. That way in case I lose one, I guess. All right, we got Spam, is it? Spam. This is cute. This is funny. It's so funny because like until like 2019 or something, I had actually never tried Spam. And I really like Spam. It's actually surprisingly good. Very cute. Once again, don't remember when Spam looked like this. If anyone can tell me when the Spam packaging looked like this, I sure would love to know. We still haven't gotten a frozen moment, a super gold rare. We got pineapple slices. Sliced pineapple. I love that. Dole. Nice. Once again though, when did the logo look like this? I swear the Dole logo in my mind has always looked like a pineapple. No? Or am I imagining that? Either way, I do not know when it looked like that. And you guys, only 1 left. I feel like these went by so fast today, but once again, I feel like it's because we have gotten so many repeats. I don't think the bananas are an option yet. I think that they don't do like the announcement of like the second wave. They just kind of like sneakily do 2.5, you know? Or once again, maybe to another retailer. Maybe if I could get them on Amazon or at Walmart or something, we would get different options. Is anybody else a little disappointed by the book though? I like literally thought it was gonna be an actual cookbook. Ooh, we got turtle wax, which once again, I feel like I've heard of this product. Does it still look like this? For some reason, the turtle being on the turtle wax is a little bit memorable to me, but the font that turtle wax is written in does not look so memorable. I also thought turtle wax was in like a, you know, like a round tin, but maybe this is like a different product or just something I don't know. You know, that's always an option as well. Very cute though. I always love the bottled products, even if I don't really know what the bottle is. I mean, I know what it is, but you know what I'm saying? It doesn't have like super meaningful, grounded, personal relevance in my life. You guys, fan of sliced pineapple. Wait, is Dole the bananas as well? I don't know. We'll look at the chart in a minute. Look at that, you guys. Did we get it? Oh my God. Look at this. This is so cute. Look, we don't even need to look at the chart. Look at all of the bananas, you guys. Let's actually open it because they do look like just a clump of bananas. I love that. Oh, they look even like more realistic on the non-logo side, in my opinion. Doesn't that look a little bit more banana-y than this? Okay, I really thought that these were gonna be like super mega impossibly difficult to get rare just because they look like so, you know, like doesn't this look like a more detailed mini brand or something? You guys, this was such a success. I'm glad I like opened them tonight. I was kind of sleepy. I already like did all my makeup to do a Ninja Turtle video, which maybe that's up on my channel by now. Maybe it isn't. And then I was like, okay, I'm gonna like wash my face now because I spent like 2.5 hours doing my hair and makeup, and then it started raining. I didn't even go outside. The humidity from the outdoor rain again made my hair do this, you guys. I spent so long curling my hair, and for what? So I was honestly going to just wash my face, not do another thing, but then I was like, open some mini brands. We got another new one, you guys, Crayola. And I don't feel like this packaging is retro. I feel like, in fact, this packaging is ancient. This literally looks like the first pack of crayon that was ever made, ever. It's very cute. I love it. I kind of feel like it goes with the ambiance of this room. But yeah, did they do this like, oh, this is a collector's edition celebrating teachers since 1903. So this is like retro inception. This is like retro packaging of another retro package. Oh, this feels quite exciting as well. What is this? Oh my God, y'all, this is so lucky. This is another one I really wanted to see because once again, it's like the packaging inside of the packaging kind of thing. Look at this adorable Pez dispenser. I feel like that was another one of my favorite mini brands. I'm pretty sure that was like even from series 1 or 2. And I don't think it was packaged like this. You guys, refresh my memory. I feel like I loved like the little Pez dispenser. I feel like they had one with like an emoji on top of it. And it was really cute because it was like, you know, a miniature Pez dispenser. But I don't remember ever getting one where it was all like wrapped up like with the candy, as if you get the whole beginner's Pez set. Very cute. Do y'all like Pez candy? Let me know. I actually do like Pez. I feel like sometimes I like the nastiest candy. Like, I feel like I used to always trade like the best candy for like the worst candy at Halloween. I loved bottle caps, dots, Pez, anything that's kind of like nasty and powdery and crunchy and fizzy. I just love to latch my little chompers onto it. So yeah, I am actually, in fact, very excited by the ones we got today. I love the bananas. I really love the batteries. Once again, I definitely overlooked those the first time around. I also feel like I overlooked a lot of the Revlon products that would be super cute to get, like lipstick, perfume, super cute, which I'm still shocked that we have not seen mini brands cosmetics. I feel like there is such a land of opportunity and interest there. Still have not seen the Frozen Moments. Oh, okay, let me look at either of these batteries because there is a limited edition one or a special one that glows in the dark, but I don't think either of these. I think these are just the normal ones. Then one of the more, okay, they call them iconic now. The cookbook was iconic. See, I thought those were like separated out on the chart because I kind of thought that they were going to be like real books, you know? Luxury. Okay, so they do say that the diskettes is a luxury one. And you guys, I feel like this is the other one. I was like trying to refresh my mind on the chart as to like which one besides the bananas was the one I was like also most excited for. Which was the Notebook. However, I'm like, am I just going to be disappointed now? Because is the notebook just going to be plastic? I feel like having a miniature composition notebook would be adorable if it was like a notebook, you know? Because they did that in the Mini Brands books. They had like the Mean Girls like burn book in there, but it was just blank pages. So it was kind of like a Mini Brands miniature notebook. So we did get some ultra rare. They say the Crayola, the crayons, the hot tamales, the raisins, and the gummy bears are all ultra rare. And then are the rest just called rare? No, okay. Then in the rare ones today, we got Spam, Turtle Wax, the Pez tin, and the little Pez guy. Those were all rare. And then I guess the rest of them are common, which I'm so shocked that the batteries are common. Y'all, why am I like so obsessed with these little batteries today? I don't know. Let me know which one I opened today is your personal favorite. For me, definitely a tie between bananas, Pez, and battery. But I kind of think I love the batteries the best. Anyway, you guys, thank y'all so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is going to be very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very soon. Bye!